Okay, a bit of fun then. So Formula Ford 1600 at Alton Park. I'm at the back because I crashed in qualifying, but let's see if we can
green flag.
make any progress at all. A half decent start. We're going to go out in the middle. Yes, we are. I'm going to go to the inside.
Left side.
Let's see if this works out for us.
Stay on the right.
Maybe not.
Clear.
Okay, we're clear. Let's see if we can just keep with them. It's very slippery on the first lap. Cold tyres, particularly this corner. So we'll be careful. Guy behind's got a bit of a run though. He's going to come through, isn't he, I think? Depends how sensible he is. This corner is a bit treacherous as well. As that guy's found out. Lucky he didn't aim for the gap and come across in front of everyone. So we made it. Still going, and then we've got this little chicane I really don't like. But we got through. Then it's all plain sailing after that. Terry 9th then. Normally second through there, but give myself a bit of an oomph coming out the corner. Let's get going. So I didn't qualify, so I'm guessing the guy behind didn't qualify. I tried to qualify, but didn't set a time. So this guy behind might be pretty quick. We'll see. Seems pretty quick. He's going to go out the inside. I almost guarantee it. Yeah, here he goes.
Right side.
Well, that's fine. We'll let him go.
Still there. Hold your line.
Let's see if we can follow him. We didn't get a very good exit, but there's no point me fighting him just now. I think we'll see how quick he can go.
55.368. 10 minutes to go.
Not very, by the looks of it.
Car on your left.
He nearly crashed then, didn't he?
Hold your line. Clear. Car on your left.
I mean, he wants it, doesn't he? So we'll let him have it. We'll let him see what he can do, but he's holding us up already. We've got the number 1 car behind us as well, so it'd be interesting to see if they've got any speed. Someone else has gone off again. Okay. We're not making any progress here, are we? Lots of mud and grass flying everywhere. At least I can't smash my windscreen, so I don't have one. I think we've closed up on those ahead, haven't we, a bit? So we need to be in the 44s, really, is a decent time. We're in the 45s in qualifying. I think we can probably all go a bit quicker than that once we get going. Particularly with the slipstream. There's a bit of a move going on ahead.
There's an incident ahead.
Somebody off ahead.
Go left. Left side.
Didn't know which way they were going. Looks like we all got around there. We didn't lose too much time. Didn't even get an off track, that was lucky.
929.
Yes, that guy doesn't like that corner, does he? He nearly crashed last time round. He probably got an off track that time round. I kept getting off tracks there in practice.
Clement, push, man, no fight.
And here I went off on my fastest qualifying lap as well. So it feels like quite an easy corner, but it's clearly not. This one is coming slower, get out a bit quicker, I think. Anyway, where are we? Still with them. He's struggling, this guy. Maybe I shouldn't have let him by. Anyway, I thought he'd be quicker than this. He seemed really quick, didn't he? Maybe that was a mistake. Anyway, this is what it is now. I'm going to have to get back past him. Somebody else off by the looks of it. We've got a bit of a run.
Car on your left, clear.
See if we can push him into a bit of an error. .231. New fastest lap for you. He's going out pretty wide on that turn, isn't he? These two are side by side. It's not the quickest way around there, is it? We've got a run on him now, haven't we?
Stay on the left, clear on the right.
Okay, I don't want to kill us both. Seemed very slow through there, didn't he? For some reason. The car behind is caught up. Well, I say he's caught up. He's gone off again, hasn't he? He's struggling through there. I haven't done this for ages, Formula Ford. I do enjoy it. Maybe I'll reserve judgment to the end of the race. In case I have a bad race. I'm 6th. There's a few people have gone off, haven't they? Been a few problems ahead. There's almost a podium on offer here, isn't it? If we can get ahead of this group.
5 minutes to go.
He's definitely pushing this guy.
.395.
Yeah, we've definitely got a bit more than him, I think.
The car in P8 just set the fastest lap. 44.684.
Gosh. Thought it was going to go then.
Car right.
Try again, shall we?
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the right.
Got him that time. He pushed himself out onto the grass, I think. Trying to keep up. Let's see if we can get away then. Bit slower than we have been through there, but it's worth it just to make sure. We're a bit tidier through there than him. Let's go after these two then. They're side by side, so that's really good for us. That means they're battling a bit. It's going to compromise them. Our fastest lap.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 44.5.
Yeah, 44 is where we need to be, really.
.20.
Anyway,
new fastest lap for you. The car in
nearly a second ahead now.
just set the fastest lap. 44.531. You're in 5th. Go left.
Okay, well that's one of them gone. We're 4th now then. Doesn't mean he's not going to be battling, so I don't know if I'll catch them up. Or not. And he's regrouped the guy behind, I think. He's going to have trouble from behind as well, I think. He's got somebody battling him. We're a bit better through that. which is 0.8 behind, so I've not dropped him. Obviously more comfortable chasing than being chased, I think. We're a bit tardy through there. I'd like to catch this guy ahead if we can. .6, he's got the slipstream, hasn't he? Maybe that's helping him. Okay, 1 lap to go. Can we stay ahead? Well, we can do, as long as we don't go off track like that.
The car in P1.
That could so easily have resulted in a spin there, I think.
45.
Oh my god, and that.
P2. You're in 4th position.
And he's gone way up as well. We both went off there. Okay, I need to concentrate here. So I don't want to give him a chance to come up the inside anywhere. Won't give him that chance then. He's messed up the exit by the looks of it. He's probably trying to get on the power too soon, I should think. We had a nice run through that. So I think we're okay. You never know, on the last lap people do make desperate moves, don't they? I think we're all right. We had a good run through there. Okay through there as well, so I think we're all right. There we go. Well, that was good. Enjoyed that. Nice little race. Haven't done it for a while, but there you go. Alton Park and the Formula Ford 1600 are a good combo, I think.
There's the flag. It's
So
over.
let's come off. Move out of the way.
Great job. You did
There we
really
go.
well.
Okay, here's the start then. So we got going okay. Came through the middle. That was a nice little move. But where's the incidents? So what have we got then? Yeah, typical, just coming in a bit too quick. Nicky Lauda going off there. Unfortunately, oh, he took someone else with him by the looks of it. Yeah, well, that was a shame. Yeah, that was that guy. Just got, yeah, damaged his wheel as well. Oh dear, unfortunate. Someone else has gone off. So what's happening here then? Number 2. Oh, yeah. Just went into too much speed. Number 4. Oh, I got on the grass. Yeah. So easy to do. So these two were together, weren't they? Oh, what did he do? Oh, well, he went off on his own. Nice Valentino Rossi colours though, 46. That was it. Yeah, good. Very interesting. Okay. Let's have a look at the results. Okay then, so that was 3rd split out of 15. Yeah, a little bit of safety rating. We had a couple of off tracks, didn't we? And a little bit of high rating, so that was good. Best lap, so 44.4. Guy behind a 44.6. I had a predicted best lap of a 44.2 at one point, but only managed to actually do a 45.1, so good half a second off. But I could have gone quicker, I think. But yeah, good bit of battling. Enjoyed that. Had a lot of fun. And if you enjoyed it too, then do stick around. Hit that like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.